Hey guys, we are at the Boynton Canyon trailhead and we are doing the subway hike, the famous subway hike. It's about 5 or 6 miles out and back. Beautiful scenery, just illuminated red rocks. We hear a little bit of flute music in the background. Let's go. Upon entering the trailhead, we are surrounded by red rock formations that had a familiarity to them. They look very similar to the Disneyland ride Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is said to be inspired by these Southwest landscapes. The Boynton Canyon is also said to be one of 4 major vortexes in the Sedona area, which means this trail possesses spiritual energy. We continued on the trail wondering if we would feel this powerful energy force. Okay, all of a sudden we have fall weather and Mike is matching the leaves. Woo! Woo! We've been transported to fall. This is so cool. Wow. So this is the tree that you have to stop at. It's a very unique tree, lots of branches, and then you go this way, right here. Not that way, this way. Okay, we just heard a bunch of voices, and up there is the scramble, the last part of this hike. We're about 2.5 miles in. It's about a nice cool 70 degrees, 67 degrees. Feels like air conditioning right here. Scramble. There's even a dog up there. Now this part of the trail was super sketchy. It involved a near sheer drop that we had to hoist ourselves up. Be sure to bring sticky shoes and, better yet, a travel partner to help hoist yourself to the top of this ledge. Guys, whoa. After carefully making it through the Slot Canyon and putting our fear of heights behind, we finally made it to the once-in-a-lifetime viewpoint. We made it to the top of the subway hike. Look at this. We're so high up. It's like we're in a cave. Oh my god, we're like on the side of this cliff. It's a sheer cliff. Mike, what do you think? Amazing. It is so awe-inspiring up here. And right there, they have some ancient ruins. Some Native American ruins. We're gonna go check it out, but oh my god. If you're scared of heights, guys, we're going in the cave. Now this part is what some say is the scariest part, so don't look down, but we are perched high up above the valley floor. I don't know if it's because of the sheer wonder of this magnificent landscape or the fact that I'm 700 feet above ground, but I felt a certain energy here, a swirling spiritual energy. Maybe it was the vortex. Have you ever felt the vortex energy? Comment below. This is so rad. We hike across a steep and narrow walkway along the cave edge. The subway cave is a lava tube formed by volcanic activity 20,000 years ago. Look at these cave dwellings.
This would make a cool shot.
Inside the cave? Yeah, so right there is the sharp turn that we had to make in order to cross. One thing's for sure, the top of this cliff sure does make a great photo shoot. And the climb back down was much easier. This is unreal. Look at these juniper berries. We're hiking just admiring the red rocks and the vortexes. You can really feel the spiritual energy here. There's like an aliveness to this place. It definitely has a certain magic to it. And that subway hike, that was one of the coolest viewpoints I've ever seen from a hike. But we are going to the Grand Canyon after this, so stay tuned. Woohoo!
Resuming work.
And with that, we took the good vibes from this trail with us for the rest of our journey. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe for many more travel videos just like this one.